Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna Monet, and today I do have another wig review for you guys. Today's video is sponsored by UNice Hair. Thank you so much for sending over today's unit and today's goodies. Let's get right into the unboxing. So they sent over quite a few goodies when I opened up the package. This was everything I saw. First, we have this nice little baggie here that has a elastic band to help you melt your lace, some eyelashes, a bonnet, a makeup brush. So thank you for that. This nice pretty satin bag to store the wig. I finally got a UNice robe. This is so special to me because if you're an OG on this channel, you know I always used to wear a pink robe in my videos. Like, that is how I came out. And now I get another one. Thank you so much, UNice Hair. I cannot wait to wear this robe proudly. And we have the package here. Oh, it has Velcro. Wait a minute. We have upgraded since I've been away. I like it. We have the wig here. I'm so excited to open this up. But wait, there's more. What are they? Wait a minute. Oh, they are proposing to me. We have a ring in here with the UNice symbol. Stop it. Y'all are too official. We have a pink bonnet to match the robe, some wig caps, and another elastic band to melt the lace. Wow, thank you so much. I was already excited to do this video because this hair is one of my favorite colors, but now I'm even like more excited after opening all that stuff. Oh my goodness, it is so, oh, this is so beautiful. It smells good too. Like, I need a minute. Wait a minute. I need to look up the specs on this unit. Okay, so I'm going to read the specs straight from my phone so I get it right. This is a 13x4 lace frontal reddish brown kinky straight wig, 24 inches. So those are all of the specs. Of course, all the specs and the direct link will be in the description box also. This hair is just thick and gorgeous. Okay, so this is the hairline here. Inside the cap, we have a very large parting area. So we have 13 inches across and 4 inches back of parting space. Lots of free parting options. Left, side, middle, right, whatever you want to do. We also have 3 combs inside the unit, 2 on the top on each side, 1 down bottom, and adjustable straps. It also comes with this elastic band, which is optional to use, which I really like because I don't use elastic bands normally in my wigs. So you can take it off, you can leave it in. I like that. I don't know what the density of this hair is, but she is thick. All right, she is thick, she is wild, she is free. Let's try her on. I do have on like my mesh black wig cap. And now I'm just going to try on this unit. Ooh. Ooh, very roomy. Oh, let me take off this elastic band though, because I'm not going to use this. So, yep, going to take that out. First impressions are good. This unit is definitely soft. Very big head friendly, very roomy, gorgeous color, and thick. Like, do y'all see this? What density is this UNice? Like, I just want to know. The people want to know. I definitely have my work cut out for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and style this unit. I'll be back at the end with my final thoughts. So I do have to pop in and let y'all know that the hot comb was not giving me what I needed it to give, because I don't know if y'all can really see. I will show y'all a close-up later. The roots of this unit had a lot of crinkles in them, which is fine if that is the texture or the look you are going for, but I just wanted to straighten them out a little more. So what I ended up having to do, okay, yeah, you can see right there, it's a lot of crinkles up top, but what I ended up having to do was just take off the unit completely, and I put it on my mannequin head, and I was able to really style her nicely that way. It just gave me an opportunity to get the roots nice and straight how I wanted. I had my flat iron on like 400 plus degrees. So you're going to see that the flat iron achieved the look I was going for a lot better than the hot comb did. I would say the hot comb is really good for like small sections, but that flat iron, it got the job done. So I'm going to give you some close-ups of how the hair looked like before and after, and I will pop back in a little later. Okay, so here's the hair after I flat ironed it. It was such a huge difference from before. It was just much more manageable because it got it to like a sleeker texture, but it still had that kinky straight thickness to it. I did go in and pluck the part in space a little bit more in the front just to try to get a more realistic part, but yes, I'm flipping the hair, it's moving, it's flowing, it's so much more tame. I really like how it took to the heat of the flat irons. It's just so silky smooth, and I'm showing you it like this because you might want to wear it like this, just straight in its kinky straight texture. But I am going to go a step further and go ahead and curl the hair. So I'm going to section it off into medium-sized sections and take my wand curl and curl it up. I love using the wand curl. It's kind of like I forgot how to use a regular curling iron at this point because I'm always wanding. It's just so easy for me, and I love how the curls turn out. I'm gonna go in with my Got to Be Instant Hold, I think is what the bottle says, but y'all know when we shopping we just go by colors. So my blue and pink bottle, that is the Got to Be spray I'm using to hold these curls. To me, it gives a lighter hold than the yellow can, which is what I want for when I'm setting my curls or using it as a holding spray. Okay, now let's get into all my pros and cons, all my thoughts about this hair, because I loved it for so many reasons. Okay, number one, this color. This color is a 10. You can't tell me it's not. This hair color is so luxurious. Okay, get into it. Love the color. I also really love this kinky straight texture. It curls so well. So well. Curls well, holds a curl well. It just looks so pretty once it all comes together. Look at that. It's just bouncy, flowy, pretty. I love it. The hair is very soft, very full. It has a great density, and I just loved the final look. It just came out so nice. Cons for some may be the crinkle texture. It's an easy fix. Just get your flat iron, get a hot comb, but preferably a flat iron, and the crinkles will be gone. And also, I think that it would be nice if the hairline maybe was a little less dense and pre-plucked a little more. But overall, I really enjoyed this unit. I was so excited to review this. I'm so happy I was able to get my hands on it. And let me know what you think about it in the comments. So beauties, that is going to wrap up this video. If you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous unit, then please check out the link in the description box below. I will have the exact unit link there and all of my specifications. Special thank you to UNice here for sending over this unit to me for review. She is absolutely gorgeous. She is everything I knew she would be and more. So thank you so much. Shout out to you for making it to the end of this video, watching in full. I really do appreciate you supporting my channel. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Check out some of my other videos and I will chat with all of you later.